Hello everyone, Ray from Babco. We're talking about 4-post lifts for hobbies and home shops and home storage. Question often asked is, can I put this together myself? The answer is yeah, of course you can. Many people have. I would venture to say most guys can. Guys like us who have shops at home and we can do so much with our cars and other equipment, we can certainly put one of these together. The heavy component is the power side runway. It has that cylinder in there. That's the awkward part. The rest of it is easily done by a couple of guys. If you've got a couple more guys, neighbors or whatever, to come and just lift this one into place, putting one end on first and then the other one, if the posts are in the right spot, it's not that hard. Can it be done wrong? Of course it can. Timing the cables is important, and we've talked about that, and routing the air lines properly. But other than that, these things do go together quite easily and can certainly be done by a home shop.